Hello everybody, it's Charlie's Trains. We have the Southern Railroad diesel engine pulling tanker cars. We got the chassis system, the North New Hampshire. We have the New Haven boxcar. We have 3 of them. GWR box tanker cars. I'm doing great today and night. So it's pulling 6 tanker cars around. There goes the area for the tankers. And it's going into the mountains, going past the farmhouse and stuff. Everything's looking good. If you could, please subscribe to me at Charlie's Trains 9169 on YouTube. I appreciate it, and I hope everybody has a great day. Thank you.